In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix error while loading followed channels on Twitch. If you are encountering this error where Twitch can't load your followed accounts and you're told try again and nothing works, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. To fix this first, we need to troubleshoot Twitch because most likely it has encountered an error. To do this, go to your phone and look for settings. From settings, scroll down to apps. Under apps, look for this option called manage apps. Here, search for Twitch and hit is, tap on it to open. From here, go to force stop and OK. This will stop any background activities that might be causing this. Then go to clear data, clear cache, OK, and finally clear all data. Restart your smartphone and now open your Twitch account or app. Now everything should be up and running without any issue. But at this point, if nothing still works, then check if you have any VPN app or any recently installed security app on your phone and install it, as this might be causing the issue. You also want to check and ensure you have steady internet connection. However, if none of that works, then go to Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. Because I'm on Android, I'll go to Play Store and here search for Twitch and I'll run the search and finally open it. If we have any update your app to the latest version to fix this. However, at this point, if your app doesn't still load, then try using any web browser to log into your account and see if that works. But should that still fail, then most likely Twitch might have experienced an internal server error. For that, you need to wait after some few minutes. Now everything should be up and running without any issue. So let me know which of the above worked for you. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.